Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Today one of my YouTube follower, he sent me footwell module for Mini Cooper, and he need to, this is the one you see here, and he said that he need to fix it. Yeah, a lot of them, when they go bad, it is not based on circuit is bad. I just want to show you what I mean. Okay, when battery go dead or something happen, like a short or the battery electrical connection no good or anything like that, it go bad. It go bad means that it lose the programming. The EEPROM memory will get corrupted. If you send it in, we are not going to fix, or this is not a fixable. You see, this is a water damage. Yes, if we are able to read the information, coding out of it, transfer it into another one. Okay, you see here, if you look at it carefully, it's not easy. Then you can say, look, this is fixable, especially when the pin get damaged. So if it's not repairable, just get another one and use regular tools like 608 or anything near to that. You can code it and program it, or just do coding. Sometimes it doesn't even require coding. If it's a CASHAPP module, no way. But this one here, no. When the water get into it like this, it's recommended to be replaced. Yeah, do not send it out if you see the damage is water damage. It's not gonna help you, believe me. Most of the time when the water damage. Also, if you get another one, do I use new or used? No. Put a used one, same part number, it will work. Just you're gonna code it to write down the VIN number and some configuration. Yes. Okay. I will tighten more. What I'm trying to show you here is this. Look inside here. See here, there is a water damage here too. Also, this connector that going in here, please try to clean it good. Clean it good inside, and if it's no good, you can even change the whole connector. It takes time to solder them, but do it that way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. And this is the explanation of this. And if you want to get the same part number, look at this part number here. Be sure the piece you get it from eBay must be, or use one, must be correspond to this part number that on your car. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like. This Mini 56, I believe. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.